Right, what is happening, guys? Welcome back to the engine makeover part 2. Here's Johnny unwrapping his car. He's got flywheel in his hand. Today we'll be getting this in the car. Hopefully. John's painted the gearbox, that's at his house now. He's going to go and grab that in a minute. He's going to give this another little spray. Many goodies.
I got some goodies.
Pure goodies, me.
I think half of it's gone out of here, but I'm hoping that this is where the flywheel bolts are.
That, yeah.
Yeah, boy.
You opened it at the Haribo's and left everything else in there.
Oh, and yet the exhaust hanger. Couple of little K-Tech stickers for the old wing mirrors when I paint them white. Inlet. Outlet.
It's another gasket there.
Genuine Renault. Yeah.
Genuine French exhaust manifold gasket.
So we've got them too. Oh, that's done now, innit? I've had the Haribo's already, mate.
Tanfastics.
Star Mix, there was.
Oh, Star
Mix even.
Super Mix.
But yeah, we've got the flywheel, we've got the flywheel bolts. Let's just lift this engine up a wee bit. I'm going to give this a little bit more of a... I don't even know if it needs more of a clean. This is just more, it needs more paint.
Nah, a bit more paint, it'll be right.
Bit more paint, just to tidy it up, because this is the side that we see. And then we can get this.
This is what's known as the money shot. John's done the 2-minute shake. So you don't get in that water pump.
Well, at least got more than 2 sprays out of this one, eh?
So they only go one way, I think. So see how that one's slightly out and that one there.
Now this is progression.
So we should be able to see somewhere. There you go. There's a tooth missing. So do you remember you have your crank position sensor at the top here?
Yeah.
That's what it measures off there.
Well, I think I might need a new one of them.
Let's lower it down so it's on this mat. There you go.
Let's get all these nipped up.
Finger tight. $55 it's set. See if you can get one. Might not work straight away, but star pattern. Might turn the crank, you see.
It is.
Right.
What are you doing, Jay? You stay on that end.
There you go. Right, that's it. Go on.
Okay.
Yeah. There you go, that was it.
Was it?
That's the click.
Yeah,
so
okay.
Then star pattern, yeah. Action!
Right, here we go. LUK this time. So we are actually using the old ones. I was told to definitely replace them. So we've got the old ones for the clutch. Nicey. Good few track days out of this. So let's get the alignment tool and let's get her on. Pretty much it, mate. Tighten her up.
Yeah, to be honest with you, as long as it's won't shift, it's fine. You happy?
Yep. Right.
Again, the pins will only go on a certain way.
That way, baby.
You got it first time?
Straight in, baby.
No, you've not.
Of course I have.
Yeah? Right, so flywheel's on, clutch is on. John's just nipped back to check on the progress of his paint. Hopefully that's dry. He'll bring that back. We'll get the gearbox on and we'll see if we can get this engine mounted in Project Baguette 6.9. Stay tuned. There she is unwrapped. Let's try and line her up. So the plan is lift the engine up on the hoist, roll the car in, drop her in. I'm out of breath to just push that car up there. Even though it is nice and light because it's all stripped out, still shattered. Get some fresh exhaust stud nuts on there as well. Lovely.
Putting a little bit of lube on the shaft, ready to enter. Never going dry, guys. Right, let's get this in. First time.
Left finger.
Oh my gosh.
Like a glove.
Oh my gosh. Oh, look at that. Look at that.
Coming together.
That is what all the blood, sweat and tears has been for. Obviously there's going to be bits that once it's all bolted up, maybe even when it's in, that we're going to little touch up. But I am over the moon with that. Not long now and she will be inside. Inside!
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway, and in the driveway.
Right, forget this starter motor wire. Hooked up now. Saves us a job. We need to tighten them crank position sensor bolts up. Go on then, let's go. Right, wait there, John. Stick your wood on.
You got it?
Yeah, I've got it. Let's assess it.
You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 low, you can still go. Go, go slow, you can still go. Go, no hope, you can still go. Go, so no,
Just like that.
go.
Bish, bash, bosh.
Boy. Oh, it's not that one.
Just remove the chains, mate.
Now make sure it goes back through the same one.
She's free.
Look at that, Johnny boy!
Johnny Rap saved my life.
So there you have it, guys. The engine is in the car. I hope you enjoyed this one. We'll see you on the next one. And don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, share, tell your mum, tell your nan.